In this video, we test the iRobot Roomba E5 in our house and not on a test platform or enclosed area. You'll see the E5 in operation on several types of flooring and the results. Hi, I'm John.
And I'm Betty, and on this channel we will have real-world reviews on a variety of products of interest to us.
You'll see and hear the Roomba E5 working on three types of floor surfaces. You'll see some of the features of the unit, see some of our issues with the unit, and our conclusions. This is the iRobot Roomba E5. This model is on the lower end of the product line and does not have all the features of the upper models. We bought the E5 at Sam's Club for $280 and have been using it for about 6 weeks. On the iRobot website, it is listed for $349 regular price with a special offer for $280. This is just our review. There are no endorsements or payments for this video. This is not an unboxing or technical video. You can find comparison and technical videos on the iRobot website and on YouTube. We bought this model based on price and the website statement about picking up more dog hair than similar vacuums. We have Blaze, an Australian Shepherd and Border Collie mix, so the mention of dog hair was of interest to us. We use this for daily spot cleaning and not as a replacement for full house vacuuming.
This is the E5 operating on carpet in a bedroom. The E5 can be Wi-Fi connected to a smartphone, and during the setup process you need to name your unit. We called ours Dust Bunny. The app is easy to use and we had no problems with it. You can start the unit from the app and even schedule cleaning times. It lets you know when cleaning is finished, or if the battery is low, or if it has fallen off a cliff, or otherwise gotten stuck somewhere. That was Blaze. This is living room carpet where Dust Bunny has already cleaned. You can see the tracks, and you can also see the little black hairballs that have been left behind from the cleaning operation. This is where we are disappointed with the Dust Bunny. It keeps leaving little black hairballs all over the carpet after it's already run by. This is the same area. You can see the Dust Bunny tracks and also the little hairballs left behind. Dust Bunny claims to have a runtime of 90 minutes. We've been getting an average of 60 to 75 minutes of runtime. And this unit does not have intelligent navigation or mapping, as do the other models. And yet again, on another day, Dust Bunny has gone through the carpet in the living room area. You can see all his tracks and see all the little dust balls left behind. This is some ceramic tile flooring where Dust Bunny has already cleaned and has done a relatively good job in this area. It typically does a good job on hard surface floors like tile and vinyl. This is Dust Bunny on some different carpet, let the sound run so you can hear what it sounds like in operation. You can also see how it deals with obstacles in its path during the cleaning process. And this is Desk Bunny on some vinyl floor in a small workroom area. We are back in the living room area again. You can see Desk Bunny's tracks and also see the little hairballs left behind from the cleaning operation. For whatever reason, it does it on this carpet more than on some of the other carpets. During cleaning, Desk Bunny went in and out of this area 3 or 4 different times and returned, so it's actually gone over its same path a couple times. And this is where Desk Bunny decided to die from battery life and could not find its way back to its home base, which was only about 15 feet away. I've flipped Desk Bunny over so you can see the underneath side and the brushes and rollers. You can see the hair that tangles up on the rollers, and you just have to pull it loose. Vast majority of it does go up into the cleaning receptacle, but this is the issue. We frequently take the rollers out and clean them just to find any tangled up dog hair. I was walking back into this area and noticed Desk Bunny did leave a small hairball on the tile floor, and this is Desk Bunny back at his recharging base, currently getting charged. We have had a couple issues where the unit came back to the base but did not connect up properly and was not charging. This is the debris receptacle, and you can see it's got quite a bit of dog hair in it. It's not full, it just was not, I guess, sucking all the dog hair up in it properly. In conclusion, Desk Bunny works for us on a daily spot cleaning basis. We were hoping for better results with the dog hair. Our regular vacuum is a Dyson Animal Ball 2 upright. We can vacuum the entire house in 20 minutes and not have to go back for hairballs.
Thanks for watching. Please leave comments and hit that thumbs up or down button.
If you subscribe, it'll eventually help us do more videos.
It's over here, dear.
You never know what the next review might be about.
If you have some suggestions, please let us know.